another nice weather. Yeah, come out to fishing about 1 hour. It looks beautiful here. There's still sunshine. Yeah, so good. The tide is very high. Yeah, should be fine. Just to try play 1 hour. Yeah, hope we can get something. Yes, as usual. Yeah, first check out the fishing gear. The rod is Deva Battle. It's ultralight. It's a 762. Yeah, ultralight FS. Yeah, looks beautiful. And the reel is Deva Luviers 1000. The P number is the 0.6, and leader is 4 pounds. So today I use the minnow with SP. It's about 5 grams. Okay, let's try some small fish. Oh. Good. Oh. Yes, got a tailor. Use a small minnow. It's a very nice minnow. It's very nice tailor. Thank you. Taylor. Yeah, got another tailor. It's, yeah, just in 1 minute. Yeah, 2 tailor. Okay. Good. Thank you. That's tailor. Oh, a good one. Yes. Another one. Okay. Yes, the third one. Yeah, in 2 minutes. It's very good tailor. Heavy one. This one is too light. Can't cast further. Yes, I changed it to the VIB. This one is 5 grams, so it's a very good one. Yeah, the VIB, the metal one, is 5 grams. So next time if you can't catch fish, just change to this VIB. It's much better. Okay, let's try again. Oh, got one. Okay. Yeah, metal VIB. I got one. This one should be flathead. I thought this VIB should be go to the bottom to take the flathead. But if too big, I can't take the flathead out of the water. I can't land the fish. Yeah, I thought it should be very big. Yeah, it's a big one. Yes, it's a big. Oh my gosh, it's a very big flathead. Oh my gosh, it's a big one. It's a really big one. Oh my god, how to take this one? It's hard. It's hard. Oh. Just 4 pounds. This flathead should be about 50 centimeters and nearly 60. So it's very hard. Gosh, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, so big a flathead. Come here. Ooh. Oh my gosh. It's flat. Should be about nearly. Yeah. It's 62. Yeah.
Really catch up with them.